How much can you earn with SREC in Maryland? Let's find out. Did you know that if you live in Maryland and have solar panels, you could be earning extra income through the Maryland SREC program? So what exactly is an SREC? A Solar Renewable Energy Credit, or SREC, is a certificate you earn every time your solar panels produce 1 megawatt-hour of electricity. This isn't just energy you use, it's energy you can sell. Once you generate your solar energy, you register it on a platform like SREC Trade, you're issued SREC. These can be sold to utilities who need them to meet renewable energy goals. The best part, you get SREC payments directly to your account. Let's say your solar system generates 10,000 kilowatt-hours annually. That's about 10 SREC. At the current Maryland SREC price of $53 per credit, you could be earning $530 per year. Want to learn more about how the SREC program in Maryland works? Contact SolarSME, the best solar installer near you, for assistance.